Hi everyone. So today we are learning to describe and interpret different data, and I'll be looking for students to participate in discussion about the data. And the content descriptor is for grade 5. It's describe and interpret different data sets in context. What I'm focusing on based on my feedback from past videos is to ask students more questions to involve them in discussion and to explain the importance of the lesson content and why we are learning it. So we'll get straight into it. This is a website I'm using from the Australian Bureau of Statistics. And this is an important website for Australians and for other people around the world because it lets us know different data based on a census. And a census is basically just a test that all Australian people have to take every 4 years or 5 years. And it helps the government to know where they need to be maybe spending more money and which people might need more help in our society. So this is a bar graph that represents the results from the census done in, there's 2006 and there's also 2011 to select as well. At the moment it's on 2006, so this is showing us the results from the 2006 census, and you can see here you can select the gender as well, which is showing, and we've selected both male and female. And then you can also select the Indigenous status. So here we're selecting all, but you can also select Indigenous, which is Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people, or non-Indigenous. So this data is representing the statistics on homelessness in Australia. And I thought it might be interesting for us to have a look at the age groups here of people that were homeless during the census. So you can see here there's a section for people under 12 years old. So that's people that are your age. Can you imagine homeless and you are under 12 years old? And we can see from this graph, can anyone tell me, looking at the graph, how many people, boys and girls, have said that they are homeless under the age of 12? That's right, it's about, or if I hover over that column there, over that bar, it says 15,716 people under the age of 12 living in Australia and homeless. So let's have a look at whether those people, how many girls and how many boys were homeless under the age of 12 in 2006. So that means we can go up to this button here and we can just press on male. Oh, and you can see the graph changed. And now it's telling us under 12 males, 8,126. We'll take it on to just females only, and there's 7,590. So more boys or more girls homeless? That's right, there's more boys homeless. Let's have a quick look at how it changed in 2011. 5 years later, another census was done and put it back onto both boys and girls. And let's see if it changed. Who can tell me? Children under the age of 12. How many is there now? 17,842. So has it gone up or down? That's right. There was in 2011 more homeless children than in 2006.